Welcome student. Today in this lecture we are going to start a poem that is A Time to Believe. This poem is written by B. J. Morbidzer, a renowned poet. In this, let us start this poem. In this poem, poet convey a great message of a life that if one have to achieve a great success in his life, so he must believe uh, on something. If he has a belief, then only he can do a great efforts to achieve that belief. Okay, let us start this poem. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Here poet says that every day has a new start of life. Every day has a new beginning of life. Every day he can start to achieve his goal in the life. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. If he start to achieve his goal, that goal is unachievable or a very hard target, but miracles can happen in the life, and that dreams which he saw can come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. If someone has a belief that there are angels who are dancing on the clouds, so that also comes true, and he has a new experience and the miracles can happen in his life. So one has to believe and say look the dreams about his goal, so he can also saw or daydreaming about the angels who are dancing on the cloud. This is not a real thing, but if someone has a belief that angels are dancing on the cloud, so he can saw that angels dancing on the clouds. To know a wonder of a stardust sky having a magical quality. Okay, and the wisdom of a man in the moon. Man in the moon means if someone has a belief or a knowledge, extra knowledge about the moon, she can also have a magical quality of a star. Okay, to believe is to know the value of nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. If someone has nurturing means the providing nourishment and care and protection. If someone has a belief that the values of providing the nourishment to the innocent and other old age persons, so he got the purity. Innocence means a purity. Okay, of a life, he can achieve that miracles in his life. Here poet expresses the views that if you have a belief what you are doing, to be motivated to do it. If a person believes he can make the world's better place, he can do it. Uh, he if he want or if he has a belief that he can improve the environment, then he can likely to be motivated to take action to do the better environment. Okay, to believe is to know the value of nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, the beauty of aging hand. uh, for it is through their teaching we learn to love. Here poet wanted to convey the message of love through the teaching of the old persons to the innocent child. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. If we have belief in ourselves and we have a strength and a particular aim in the life and of and doing actions to achieve that goal which we set in our life, that is called courage. If we have the courage to achieve that goal, when it is a time to pick up the peace, return to normal after shocking disaster. If when it is a time to pick up the peace and begin again. Here poet says that if we experiences a great sorrow in our life, a great disaster in our life, we must have a belief in ourselves, and we must develop a strength and courage in our within us, so we can put forward, or we can move ahead in our life. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift, and this is our time to cherish. Cherish means hold something as a very great value, dear value. Okay? To believe is to know we are never alone. Here poet says that we must believe that we are never alone, and this life which we get is a gift for us. We must be joyful of getting this gift. We must do the fruitful and good things in our life. So we after doing good things in our life, we can gather other persons, other community, so we never be alone in our life, because we are doing a good act. To believe is to know a wonderful surprise are just waiting to happen. So there miracle, the poet says that there can be a miracle in your life. If you follow a great sorrow in your life, then miracles can happen in your life, and you can be joyful. Due to your happiness, you can spread this happiness to the other communities, other persons, or other surrounding of you, waiting to happen. And all our hopes and dreams within reach, if you only believe. The human being lives on the hope, only hope. Human being can live on the hope, or for his dream which he saw in his life. if he tries very hard to achieve that dreams to come into truth, then if he believes and doing efforts for that, that great success can be come into his reach uh, only after he has a strong belief. So, the poet B.J. Morbitzer convey us a great message through this poem, that one, if one has a belief in his, so he can generate a courage, he can find his own way to achieve a great success in his life. The belief become a knowledge, that the foundation upon his life is built. We can build our life on the foundation of our belief of a knowledge. Okay, here we summarize this poem, that a time to believe by this poet, that is B.J. Morbitzer, is a wonderful poem that loaded with the message of a self belief, that fill on with a optimism, courage, hope, and faith. So here we completed this poet. This is a beautiful poem. Okay. We will stop here. So the homework is to you, that you do the exercise given below and warm up of this poem. Okay. Thank you.